Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Waterproof HD Makeup Kit combo for women and girls, a 15-piece all-in-one set that's got everything you need to create stunning looks from head to toe. Let's dive into this beauty treasure and see if it lives up to its waterproof HD promise. First up, the eyeshadow palette. It's packed with a mix of mattes and shimmers in shades that go from soft nudes to bold brights, perfect for any vibe. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is pretty good, a little powdery but blends out nicely with a brush. Next, the makeup brushes. This kit includes a solid set, soft and sturdy enough for applying powder, foundation, and eyeshadow smoothly. No shedding, which is a big win. The kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it stayed put all day with no smudging. Super intense. Then there's an eyeliner, sharp and waterproof. I drew a wing and it didn't budge even after a splash of water. The false eyelashes are a fun touch, easy to pop on, and they add instant drama. Now the lipstick, a bold red edition that's creamy and long-lasting. It's giving me major glam vibes. The foundation is lightweight with HD coverage. It evens my skin tone without feeling heavy. The primer smooths my pores and locks everything in. A must-have. The loose powder sets my base with a matte finish, no shine even after hours. And the makeup fixer, a quick spray, and my look is waterproof and sweatproof. I tested it in humidity and it held strong. This kit is amazing for beginners or anyone wanting a budget-friendly all-in-one option. It's not luxury, but for the price it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full waterproof HD look with this set. If you're loving this, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this kit or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.